Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering materials and preparing your paper for folding. Use one sheet of rectangular paper, 5 by 11 inches or A4 size. Place the paper on a clean, flat surface about 5 inches from the table edge. Smooth the paper with your palm to remove any wrinkles. Keep your fingernails short to make crisp creases while folding. Sit with elbows on the table for stable, controlled folds. Work in a well-lit area so you can see thin crease lines clearly. Begin by folding the paper in half lengthwise and then unfold it to reveal a center crease. Fold the top 2 corners down toward the center crease to form a sharp triangle nose. Fold the newly formed triangle down so its tip meets the bottom edge precisely. Fold the airplane in half toward you, along the original center crease. Create the wings by folding each side down about 1 inch from the center. Check that wing tips are even and aligned for balanced flight. Finish by adding small adjustments that improve stability and distance. Create a 1/4 inch upward winglet at each wingtip to reduce roll and improve glide. If the plane dips, add a tiny piece of tape to the nose to add weight. Trim any uneven edges with scissors to maintain symmetry and reduce drag. Test the glider with a gentle toss and observe its flight path closely. Aim for smooth throws at 10 to 15 degrees above horizontal to maximize distance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.